We begin with that urgent breaking news from a Valley hospital, a warning saying that the holiday weekend could lead to another spike in coronavirus spread. News Channel 3's Jake Ingracia joins us live tonight with the latest. Jake.
Peter, good evening. And hospitalizations at Eisenhower Health have been trending down, as well as county-wide. But health officials are worried that gatherings this weekend and a new push to reopen businesses could cost all of the progress that's been made. Heading into a holiday weekend at Eisenhower Health in Rancho Mirage, the hospital seeing the lowest number of coronavirus patients since before Memorial Day back in May, caring for only about 12 people right now.
And we know what happened after Memorial Day. We saw a huge spike in cases.
Alan Williamson, Eisenhower Health's chief medical officer, warning the same thing could happen now with Labor Day. A months-long surge in hospitalizations, nearly 8 times what it is now at its peak. He attributes the spike to holiday gatherings and the push at the time to reopen businesses.
We're seeing a bit of the same pressures right now, where there's pressures to reopen businesses, and at the same time we have the Labor Day holiday, another point where we tend to gather together in large groups and celebrate the end of summer. But we have to understand that even though livelihoods are potentially at stake if we don't open our businesses aggressively, lives are at stake if we do this without caution.
I'm hoping that America in general is responsible and there's not a spike after this holiday weekend.
Tim and Lynna Alley are visiting downtown Palm Springs, where Friday restaurants were allowed to expand outdoor dining into the street. They say people were doing their part when it came to wearing masks and keeping social distance. They hope that's enough to keep the virus at bay. Bill Schulz is hoping customers at indoor retail locations won't create another surge.
Businesses are a whole different animal. I mean, with the restaurants, it's outdoors, they're indoors. Sales, something like that, a lot of people. I mean, yeah, that makes sense.
Williamson urging people to remain vigilant.
We really need to be sure that we put all of this behind us before we let our guard down.
And you might remember that federal medical team that joined Eisenhower Health to assist. Well, they've now departed, and the hospital is saying tonight that they're unable to handle another surge on its own. We at News Channel 3 wish everybody an enjoyable and safe Labor Day weekend. Reporting live tonight, Jake Ingracia, News Channel 3.